Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome once again to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject science, don't forget to subscribe this page and click on the bell icon so that you can receive our upcoming videos well in time. In our today's subject, we are going to discuss the topic reversible and irreversible changes. First of all, we will move towards introduction. Matter can undergo changes and these changes can be reversible and these changes can be irreversible. Sequence as flashed. Today's learning objectives are to define and differentiate reversible and irreversible changes, to define mixtures, to explain three methods of separating solid mixtures. These topics are related to week 9. First of all, we will discuss that what are reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes. These changes are also known as physical changes or temporary changes. And these changes are called temporary changes because material that can undergo reversible change can return to its original form. In these changes, no new substance is formed. For example, melting an ice cream into juice is a reversible change. Ice cream is changed into juice when it is heated and juice is again changed back into ice cream when it is cooled. When water is freezed or cooled, it becomes ice, and when ice is melted or heated, it becomes water again. It is also a reversible change. Melting gold is also an example of reversible change. Now we will discuss irreversible changes. Irreversible changes are also known as chemical changes or permanent changes. These changes are known as permanent changes because material that can undergo an irreversible change cannot return to its original form. In these changes, new substance is formed. For example, frying an egg is an example of irreversible change. Burning wood is also an example of irreversible change. Rusting of a bicycle is also an example of irreversible change. Today's homework. This homework is related to week 9, chapter 4, reversible and irreversible changes. Note new vocabulary words to be noted down on loose sheets from page 67 to 71, and these vocabulary words are undergo, temporary, reversible, irreversible, solidify, rust and ripening. Parents to help their children in finding the meaning of these words from dictionary. You can click on these hyperlinks to see videos so that your concept would be clear, but under complete parental supervision. Students must watch topic related tutorial on their AIS student portal to understand the lesson. Reading textbook from page 67 to 71. Students to read the given pages from 67 to 71 before attempting the written work. Written work. Following work to be done on loose sheets. Definition of physical change, chemical change, reversible change and irreversible change. As I have discussed all these changes. You have to write 5 daily life examples of physical change and 5 daily life examples of a chemical change. You will differentiate between temporary and permanent change. These topics are related to week 10. What are mixtures? When different substances combine in such a way that no chemical change occurs, a mixture is formed. It means that mixtures are the examples of physical changes. And you know that in physical changes no new substance is formed. Mixtures are not chemically combined. For example, water, air and soil are mixtures. Water is the mixture of hydrogen and oxygen and microorganisms. If it is seawater or pond water, it also contains many other organisms. Air is a mixture of several gases, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. And soil is the mixture of water and nutrients and many other organisms in it. Here in the diagram you can see a mixture having different ingredients. And this mixture can be separated. As you can see here, a mixture can be of solid and gas. For example, a balloon. It can be of liquid and solid. For example, your ink pen. And it can be of gas and liquid. For example, water. Because water is the mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. And hydrogen and oxygen are gases and water is the liquid. Difference between mixture and compounds. What is the difference between mixture and compound? Mixtures are substances that are formed by mixing two or more substances physically. It means that in mixtures the change is physically, not chemically. For example, salad, as we have discussed before. Then compounds. Compounds are substances which are formed by combining two or more elements chemically. It means that in compounds, elements are combined chemically and new substances formed. For example, water. Pure water is a compound of oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen and hydrogen are two gases. What are the methods to separate solid mixtures? Mixtures can be separated by different methods. Number 1, by hand. When substances are of different size, color and shape, these can be separated by using hand or spoon. As you can see here, this is a salad and ingredients are of different size, color and shape, and these can be separated by using hand or spoon. Number 2, by sieve. What is a sieve? Sieve has holes in it that can separate smaller substances from larger one. So when one substance is too fine and another is too large, then these are separated by using sieve. Number 3, by magnet. Magnet is used to separate magnetic and non-magnetic substances. As you can see here, this is the mixture of sand and iron fillings, and iron fillings are magnetic and these can be separated by using a strong bar magnet. Today's success criteria. Remember, reversible changes are temporary changes or physical changes, and irreversible changes are chemical changes or permanent changes. Mixtures are physical changes. Mixtures can be separated by three methods. Number 1 by hand, number 2 by sieve, and number 3 by magnet. Read the text and study the pictures carefully to answer the questions. Draw and label the diagrams carefully with the help of a lead pencil only. Use the correct scientific terminology. This homework is related to week 10. Chapter 4, Reversible and Irreversible Changes. Vocabulary words to be noted down on loose sheets from page 72 to 74, and these vocabulary words are substances, ingredients, sieving, filter, escape, and magnetic. Parents to help their children to find and learn the meaning of these words from dictionary. You can click on these hyperlinks to see videos, but under complete parental supervision, so that your concept would be clear. Reading textbook from page 72 to 74. Students to read the given pages 72 to 74 before attempting the written work. And written work should be done on loose sheets. Following work to be done on loose sheets. Define the following mixtures, sieving process. You will define mixture and sieving method. Answer these questions in 1 to 2 lines. Question number 1 is, are mixtures different from compounds? Question number 2, how can we separate the mixture of berries and dirt? Which method is most commonly used to separate the mixture of sand and rice? You have read 3 methods, and which method is used to separate the mixture of berries and dirt, and which method is used to separate the mixture of sand and rice? Next question is, why we have hair inside a nose? Now here is an activity for you. This activity is very easy. You have to pour milk in the dinner plate. Add 1 drop of each of the 4 food colors, red, yellow, green and blue, or any 2 of these colors. Take a clean cotton swab, that is cotton earbud, and touch the tip of it to the center of the milk. It's important not to stir the mix, just touch it with the tip of the cotton swab. Observe what happens. Look at that burst of color. Hint, watch this video for reference. You can watch this video with the help of your parents for reference. Write your outcome findings. What have you learned? This was all about my today's lecture. I hope you have understood each and everything. Take care and Allah Hafiz.